So students, class 12 chemistry, chapter 10, haloalkanes and haloarenes. इस टॉपिक में हम पढ़ेंगे सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन, फिर क्लासिफिकेशन एंड नॉमेनक्लेचर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोडक्शन. So to understand very well, it is necessary that we should know basic idea about haloalkanes and haloarenes. What are haloalkanes and haloarenes? How they are formed structurally. So first of all, see what are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Although you have already studied it in class 11th, hydrocarbons, the compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified into two main groups. First, open chain hydrocarbon. Open chain hydrocarbon means there is no ring and it has two free ends. This is open chain hydrocarbon. And second is closed chain hydrocarbon, means there is no free end, and these are ring like structure. Although chain and ring is made up of only carbon and hydrogens are attached to these carbons sidewise. So open chain hydrocarbons are also called aliphatic hydrocarbon, whereas closed chain hydrocarbons are divided into two categories: alicyclic and aromatic hydrocarbon. Now aliphatic hydrocarbons, which are also actually open chain hydrocarbons, are further classified into two groups: saturated and unsaturated. Now saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkanes or paraffin, whereas unsaturated are divided into two groups: alkene and alkyne. Now, as it is clear that these all alkane, alkene and alkynes are made up of two parts. First part is alk, which is common in all these hydrocarbons. This is also called prefix, and the last part, that is suffix, is different in each. So the difference between these alkane, alkene and alkyne are in the structure and in number of hydrogen as compared to carbon. So here in alkane, the number of hydrogen is found to be 2 more than double of carbon, whereas in case of alkene, number of hydrogen is found to be just double of carbon. Here 2 less than double of carbon. So हाइड्रोजन की नंबर इसमें कार्बन के डबल से 2 ज्यादा, इसमें जस्ट डबल, और इसमें डबल से 2 कम होती है. सेकंड डिफरेंस, देयर आर ऑल single bonds in their structure. Here at least one double bond should be there in structure. Here at least one ट्रिपल बॉन्ड शुड बी देयर. इनके स्ट्रक्चर में सभी सिंगल बॉन्ड होते हैं, कम से कम एक डबल बॉन्ड एंड कम से कम एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए। अब देखिए, जैसा आप जानते हैं C1 से प्रीफिक्स बनता है मेथ, C2 एथ, C3 प्रोप, C4 ब्यूट, etc. If you prepare the alkane of C3, so what will be the number of hydrogen? 2 more than double of carbon. So C3, 3 2 is 6 plus 2 means 8. And what will be its name? Since it contains C3, therefore prefix will be prop, and since it is the member of alkane, means it is following the general formula of alkane, therefore suffix will be ane. So prop plus ane, propane. Whereas in case of this C3, so H is just double and the name will be prop because of C3 and ene because of just double hydrogen, just double, therefore ene. Here C3H, 3 2 is 6 minus 2 means 4. So this is C3 means prop and number of hydrogen is 2 less than double of carbon, therefore ine. So in this way you can prepare or form the formula of all alkane, alkene and alkyne as you have already studied it in class 11. Now come to the alicyclic and aromatic compounds. Alicyclic and aromatic both are closed chain compounds, means they contain the ring of carbon, but for example, the smallest alicyclic compound is cyclopropane. Similarly, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, etc. But if the closed chain compound contains 4n plus 2 pi इलेक्ट्रॉन, अगर क्लोज चेन कंपाउंड के पास 4n plus 2 pi इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 4n plus 2 pi इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब 3 पाई बॉन्ड है अगर एक रिंग वाले कंपाउंड में, तो ऐसा क्लोज चेन कंपाउंड एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड होगा। जैसे इस एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड का नाम बेंजीन है। अगर हम इस बेंजीन में सभी जगह CH है, means C6H6. If you remove one H from any position and you add CH3, it becomes methyl benzene or toluene. So as you see that these both compounds contain only carbon and hydrogen, therefore these both are aromatic hydrocarbon, and aromatic hydrocarbon are also known as arenes. Aromatic hydrocarbons are known as arenes. So you have to keep in your mind two important terms: alkane, what are their formula and what are its members, alkane and arenes, because you will obtain haloalkane from alkane and haloarene from arene. So alkanes and arenes. So this is all about the introduction of alkanes and arenes. Now come to structure of alkanes, structural formula of alkane. You see a compound CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, 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 CH3. इस कंपाउंड में हम ये आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कौन सा कार्बन प्राइमरी है, कौन सा कार्बन सेकेंडरी है और कौन सा कार्बन टर्सरी है। तो देखिए, The carbon to which or carbon which contains 3 hydrogen with it is called primary. So this carbon containing 3 hydrogen, so it will be primary, means 1 degree. This will also be primary, 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 primary. The carbon which contains 2 hydrogen with it is secondary. So this is secondary. The carbon which contains only 1 hydrogen with it, it is tertiary. And with the carbon which contains no hydrogen, it is called quaternary carbon. So there are 4 types of carbon in the structure of hydrocarbon. This is very important to note because as you see primary, secondary and tertiary and quaternary carbon here, you will also get primary, secondary and tertiary haloalkanes, which are based on the carbon from which hydrogen is removed and halogen is added. मतलब जो haloalkanes बनते हैं वो भी प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्सरी होते हैं, वो इस बेस पर होते हैं कि एल्केन के किस कार्बन से H हटाकर हैलोजन जोड़ा गया है। अगर एल्केन के प्राइमरी कार्बन से H हटाकर हैलोजन जोड़ा गया तो प्राइमरी हैलोएल्केन बनेगा, अगर सेकेंडरी कार्बन से H हटाकर हैलोजन जोड़ा गया तो सेकेंडरी हैलोएल्केन बनेगा। इस तरह से एक दूसरी चीज भी हम यहाँ ध्यान रखेंगे, हाउ टू नो द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन ऑन द कार्बन। एक स्ट्रक्चर समझते हैं CH3, CH डबल बॉन्ड CH, C H2, C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH। इस स्ट्रक्चर में हम ये आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कौन सा कार्बन किस हाइब्रिडाइज्ड स्टेट में है। तो देखिए, जिस कार्बन के साथ 4 बॉन्ड होते हैं, कार्बन की वैलेंसी 4 होती है, जिस कार्बन के साथ 4 बॉन्ड हैं और चारों सिग्मा बॉन्ड हैं, अगर वो चारों सिंगल बॉन्ड है तो सिग्मा होते हैं, डबल बॉन्ड में एक सिग्मा और एक पाई बॉन्ड होता है, डबल बॉन्ड में एक सिग्मा और एक पाई बॉन्ड होता है, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड में एक सिग्मा और 2 पाई बॉन्ड होते हैं। तो यदि कार्बन से चारों बॉन्ड जुड़े चारों बॉन्ड सिग्मा है तो वो sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड स्टेट में होता है, अगर एक भी पाई बॉन्ड है तो वो sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड स्टेट में होता है, और अगर 2 पाई बॉन्ड है तो वो sp हाइब्रिडाइज्ड स्टेट में होता है। इस बेस पर हम इसके कार्बन को डिसाइड करेंगे। दिस कार्बन इज इन sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड स्टेट, whereas this carbon is in sp2 hybridized state because it contains 1 pi bond attached with it. Similarly, this carbon also contains 1 pi bond attached with it. Therefore, this is also sp2 hybridized, whereas this carbon is sp3 hybridized because it contains no pi bond. All 4 sigma bonds are there. Whereas this carbon contains 1 and 2 sigma bond, whereas 2 pi bond. So this is in sp hybridized state. This carbon is also in sp hybridized state. So this is the state of hybridization in carbon according to its structure. So this is all about the introduction of the alkane, saturated and unsaturated compounds, because this is necessary to study the haloalkanes and haloarenes. So okay, in next part we will study about the classification and nomenclature.